And with some chicken thighs in here. Chicken breast, I think. Chicken something. Strips. Fry these on top of the stove. No flour or nothing. Just grapeseed oil. I've already seasoned them with all this seasoning that's sitting up here. I'm going to fry them and cut them up and mix it with the yellow rice that I cooked the day before yesterday. And I'm going to put some onions and bell pepper in it, so it's going to be like chicken fried rice, basically. That's what I'm trying to do. We'll see how it turns out. Guess I add some more seasoning, even though I got every seasoning already on here in the world. I'm gonna put in like this adobo powder. So it's not really like salty, but whatever. Ouch! It burnt my damn fingers. Grease splashed right on it. Damn it. F you, poultry. So this is the same grease from my chicken that I just made. Right here. So even if it's not all the way done, I'm gonna chop that up anyway and put it back in here with my 2-day-old rice. Or yeah, I think it's about 2 days old. So y'all know that's how they make fried rice. You know, the older it is, the better. I mean, you don't want it molded, of course, but the older, the better. So about 3-4 days is good, you know, but this is about 2 days old, so it'll be all right. But I kept my same grease in here. I'm not cleaning out, rinsing out the pan or nothing. I got my bell peppers in here that I chopped up, as well as my onions. And I don't have any more pretty peppers to go in there, no yellow, red, or any of that. I probably do, but I'm just doing green bell pepper and onion. I had to pause my gospel music to record this. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ears. I was listening to Leandria Johnson sing that. I'm listening to something about that name, chicken. Rance Allen, Kurt Franklin, and them. So I'm going to saute these up a little bit. I don't need to pour no more oil in there. I got grapeseed oil sitting right here, but that's okay. Probably don't need any more seasoning either, because all the seasoning from the chicken is in here. So I'm going to just put a little dash of this adobo in here, if I can unscrew it with one hand. Because remember, that rice was bland. If y'all watched my last video, that little 4-minute video that I made, the rice didn't have any seasoning, but I was trying it. Remember, that rice was right. I'm white. I made it yellow, so I put a little bit of turmeric in there. So yeah, this stove is messed up. This burner right here, I have it on 5 now, but it'll go up to high by itself. It's so dangerous. I don't know what my daughter has in a Ziploc bag, or like chocolate or something, but I don't have any right now. So I'm rinsing this out to put my little leftover half onion in here.
That was a brownie that was in the bag.
It was a brownie?
Yes, my sister gave me.
Oh, your teacher gave you a brownie? Oh, okay. Well, now it's about to be an onion in the bag. I hope you enjoyed your brownie.
It was good.
It was good. Alright, so I'm going to get my kitchen scissors. All my peppers and all that is over there sauteing. And I'm going to cut it up. Remember what I said, if it's not all the way done, that's okay, because you're about to put it back in the pot. But I try to cook it until it's done, you know, or at least almost done. Just cut, no particular size. I'm just cut them all up like that. My chicken thighs and the, I don't know if that was chicken breast or what. Soleil's holding the camera, so my apologies if it's shaking. What, Soleil?
I'm trying not to shake it.
It's okay. You're doing a good job. So we're going to cut all that up and come back. And remember, hold on to this part right here. Don't touch the pot. Hold that. Yeah, just stir it around. There you go. Just so it won't stick in the pot. Get the ones on the side. There you go. So just keep your face back just in case it was grease pot. So Soleil doing that while I'm over here cutting up the chicken. While I'm eating it and taste testing too, and it's good. They turning black? I'm coming. Oh, I forgot to get these little pieces hard right here. That's what I was eating, the thin pieces. But I got most of it chopped up. I'm coming, Soleil. We're gonna scoop those and put them in this bowl right here, okay? Be careful. When you scoop it, let it drip, and then go ahead and dump it. Okay.
Some might get out.
You gotta scoop it flat. Put the spatula flat. Yeah. Scoop it like that. Some probably stuck. That's why it's hard. There you go. Dump it in the bowl.
My arm is already tired for more than
Okay, well let me help you. I just poured a little bit more of my grapeseed oil in here. Okay. Still haven't opened that sesame seed oil yet. I told y'all I try to use one at a time. Yeah, but I love this. That's chicken on my fingernail. If you're wondering, I need to go wash my hands. But yeah, I haven't opened my sesame seed oil yet, but these are two of the best oils in my opinion. Okay? So, that's how it looks. Of course, you're going to see some black in there. It's just probably burnt pieces of meat that was at the bottom of the pan. It's all right. It's all going to be flavorful. It smells so good. So I'm about to go wash my hands, and then I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing next. So now I'm about to, I need a spoon. I keep using the spatula. I'm about to get this rice. See if I can do it with one hand. Yeah, that turmeric changed this white rice straight on to yellow. Sure did. I put like 2 tablespoons or something like that. I didn't measure it, but I'm guessing. So I'm gonna put a bunch of this rice over in there. And then I think I'm gonna add like 2 eggs. So I'm gonna do this and come back because as you can see, I'm making a mess. The rice is in there, chopped it up with the spatula. Got to put my 2 eggs in here. Raw eggs, crack, and you put them in there, you'll see. Okay, got my 2 eggs in there. Remember I told you that the rice was bland. So I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning on my rice, not much because I know the chicken is gonna mix in with this. So I don't want it to be too salty once I add the chicken and bell peppers and then adobo. But y'all know I tell you don't follow my recipe. I'm just putting in there what I got. It ain't even what I like. It's just what I got in my cabinet. Okay? And I'm going to stir this until these eggs scramble in with the rice. And then we'll be back home. I just went on ahead and dumped the rest of the rice in there because I only had this much left. And I got a big family, so might as well. You see the egg is already cooking. I'm going to add just a little bit more oil because this rice is saturated up all the oil. Just so I can get that frying effect. I can hear it frying. That's the last little bit, I guess. Might as well use the rest of it. Alright, Sarai. Throw this away from mommy, please. And Sarai's over there rinsing out the pot for me. Here. Thank you. Thank you. No, you don't say thank you. I say thank you. Thank you. No, you say what? You're welcome. Okay, you can put more eggs in there if you want to, but this is why I say the older the rice, the better, because otherwise, I used to joke with this one corner store. They used to sell shrimp fried rice and beef fried rice and all that. And if my cousin Keisha is watching, Vaughn, she know I used to always say, that ain't no shrimp fried rice, that's boiled fried rice. Because it just tastes like boiled rice. And that's what I don't want my rice to taste like right now. But if it do, oh well, we're going to eat it anyway. But the older it is, it's harder. The texture is more hard. So it'll taste like more of a fried rice than just boiled rice, if you get what I mean. So I'm going to keep trying to fry this. I probably should have had a flatter pan instead of this wok or spoon thingy. But oh well, I got what I got. I'm gonna put a little bit of the soy sauce on there, but keep in mind soy sauce is very salty. Okay? Just for the color. Let's see what it does. I'm about to go ahead and mix everything because I feel like my rice is gonna be soggy if I don't. So yeah. Let's go ahead and get this mixed in. So lay over here washing the pot out for me. Okay, I'm gonna come right behind you and do it because I see some rice still in that pot. But and the turmeric, that yellow stuff you're talking about, that's turmeric. So it's just gonna stain the pot. Don't think it's not clean. All right. Good job. Thank you. Because I only told her to rinse it out, but okay. You gotta use the scrubbing side now. The other side, yeah. Okay, this is it basically. I turned the stove off because it was just heating up by itself like usual. Let's see what it tastes like, y'all. I'm gonna plate it up and give it to my man. I tell them to tell me the truth. If it's nasty, let me know. Don't keep telling me something good. Yeah, it was good. And then I keep making it thinking it's your favorite. Tell me the truth. I need a fork. Yes, Sarah, it's hot. I kind of want to taste it first. Let's see. It's good, but it's not fried rice. I don't think the rice was old enough, or I didn't fry it enough. I probably put too much rice in there at one time because it just tastes like regular rice. What I was just saying, boiled fried rice, it ain't got that crunchy kind of feeling like fried rice. What I was going for. But when I do fried rice, I let the rice sit in the fridge for a couple days. So I kind of figured it wasn't gonna be like that because of how it looks. Because you can kind of tell it won't still look like that if it's fried rice. But overall, it's good. Seasoning, everything. I'm gonna take this to him now. All right, babe. Can you taste it and tell me what it tastes like? You can look at it first. Put the camera down so you can get in the bed.
Good.
Huh?
Good.
You sure? All right. So if I make that all the time for you, you gonna eat it?
No, not all the time.
So it ain't good then.
It's good, but I don't really know when you eat it all the time.
Okay. Well, you know what I meant. Don't tell me something good and it's really not, and I think it's your favorite. You know, I always say that. All right. He said it's good. It ain't fried rice what I was going for, but I would have had to keep the rice in the fridge for a few days because the rice tastes like regular rice. For it to get hard, you know how to make the fried rice. All right, y'all. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Toodles.
Toodles.